Hello students, welcome to my channel Priya Gulati Maths. Students, today we will do question number 9 exercise 4.3. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Let us read the question. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Now what you have to find in this question, you have to find the time taken by each tap separately to fill the tank. So whatever is being asked उसको हम let करेंगे. So let the time taken by smaller tap alone to fill the tank equals to x hour, and the time taken by larger tap alone to fill the tank will be, it is given it takes 10 hours less, so I write x minus 10 hours. नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट चिल्ड्रन, आप जो फर्स्ट लाइन आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर x आवर्स इज ऑन द राइट साइड एंड फिलिंग द टैंक कम्प्लीटली इज ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, राइट? So what I will do first, I will bring this x hour on the left side and filling the tank completely on the right side. So this same statement will become like this. Smaller taps x hour work. Look here, x hour I have brought on the left side. So smaller tap x hour work equals to 1. Now what is the meaning of 1 here? Filling the tank completely means 1, means your work is done full. You can understand it like this. Suppose if you are asked to do the work of filling the tank, suppose if you fill it 1/3, you will say that you have completed your 1/3 work. When the portion of the tank is filled 1/3, we say that you have done 1/3 of your work. If the portion of the tank is filled 1/4, you will say 1/4 of the work is done. Similarly, if the portion of the tank is filled 3/4, you will say you have done 3/4 of your work. Similarly, if the tank is full, you will say full means 1. You will say the tank is completely filled. So this alone to fill the tank will be represented by 1. So your statement smaller taps x hour work equals to 1 means full work done, means tank is completely filled. So unitary method say smaller tanks 1 hour work will be how much? 1 upon x. What is this 1 upon x? Portion of the tank filled in 1 hour. Right children? So this was for smaller tap. Now come to the larger tap. Similarly, larger taps, ये स्टेटमेंट आप लीजिए, इसमें आवर्स राइट साइड में है और फिलिंग द टैंक कम्प्लीटली मीन्स वर्क डन फुल्ली इज ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. सो आई विल इंटरचेंज. सो व्हाट विल बी योर स्टेटमेंट नाउ? लार्जर टैप्स x minus 10 hours work is equal to 1 means full work done. Full work done means the tank is completely full. Therefore unitary method लगाइए. Larger taps 1 hours work will be 1 upon x minus 10. So these are your new statements. This is for smaller tap and this is for larger diameter tap, right? So if I write next step में, if I write both taps together 1 hour work, both taps together 1 hour work, what does it mean? That smaller taps 1 hour work, which is 1 upon x, and larger taps 1 hour work is 1 upon x minus 10. So what will be both taps 1 hour work? I will add 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. So what do you write in the next step? Both taps together 1 hour work will be given as 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. This is your equation 1. Now it is given in the question according to question. ATQ means according to question. Very first line it is given both taps together 9 3 by 8 hour work is equal to 1, means both the taps are filling the tank completely in these many hours. So I can write that statement like this: both taps together 9 3 by 8 hour work is 1. 1 means work completed, means the tank is completely full in how many hours? 9 3 by 8. So again apply unitary method. Both taps together 1 hour work will be 1 upon 9 3 by 8, which I write again 1 upon 9 3 by 8. This is your equation 2. Now what do you see from 1 and 2? Look at their left side. Equation 1 में both taps together 1 hour work. Equation 2 में भी left side में क्या है? Both taps together 1 hour work. Means their left sides are equal. I can write down their right sides equal. So equating equation 1 and equation 2, what is this? This is right side of equation 1. What is this? This is right side of equation 2. So I can equate the right sides of both the equation because their left sides are equal. So finally I get 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 equals to 1 upon 9 3 by 8. So this is the final equation which I have obtained according to the language of the question. इसी equation को I will try to solve by converting it first into ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 quadratic equation. So what I will do now, लेफ्ट साइड यू कीप एज इट इज़, राइट साइड पे आप आ जाइए. दिस इज़ 1 अपॉन, अब इसको आप, दिस इज़ अ मिक्स फ्रैक्शन, कन्वर्ट इट इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सो 8 इंटू 9 72, 72 प्लस 3 गिव्स यू 75. सो दिस बिकम 75 अपॉन 8. 1 डिवाइड बाय 75 बाय 8 को आई कैन ऑल्सो राइट 1 डिवाइड बाय 75 बाय 8. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में लेफ्ट साइड इज एज इट इज़. Now come to this, reciprocal, okay, 1 into 8 upon 75 will give you 8 upon 75. So what final expression I will get, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 equals to 8 upon 75. So next step में आप आ जाइए children. This last line I'm writing it again. So this is what I have obtained in my last step. 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 equals to 8 upon 75. Now what do you see in this equation? I have denominators of all the three terms. So what I can do to get rid of the denominator, multiply each term by LCM of all these three denominators. All the denominators are different. So what will be the LCM of these three denominators? Simply their product. So I will multiply each term by the LCM of these three denominators, which is 75 into x minus 10. So what I will do, take this first term. This will be 1 into product of all these three terms. So 1 into 75x into x minus 10 upon x. सेकेंड टर्म 1 इंटू 75x, यहाँ से ले लीजिए 75x इंटू एक्स माइनस 10 और ये अपॉन x माइनस 10 इक्वल्स टू 8 इंटू न्यूमरेटर गेट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 75x x माइनस 10. सो 8 इंटू 75x इंटू x माइनस 10 और ये अपॉन 75. नाउ वट एवर यू कैंसल इट आउट. x विल गेट कैंसल विद दिस x plus 10 gets cancelled with x minus 10 cancel. 75 cancels with 75. So what remains? Write down 75 into x minus 10. So 75 into x minus 10, from here you get 75x. So plus 75x, right side पे आ जाइए. 8x into x minus 10. So 8x bracket x minus 10. What next? Now I will open the bracket. Distributive law. 75 into x, 75x. Minus 75 into 10, 750 plus 75. Open the bracket. 8x into x, 8x square. Minus 8x into 10, 80x. What next now? This is 150x, 75x plus 75x. These are like terms, so I can add them. 150x minus 750. Right side remains as it is. Now next I will do, bring all the terms from the left side to the right side. So what remains on the left side? 0. So ये right side में 2 terms are as it is. These terms will become, change their sign, minus 150x minus 750 will become plus 750 और left side में 0. 0 equals to 8x square. Now these are like terms. Minus 80x minus 150x gives you minus 230x plus 750. Next step, 0. What do you see? In all these three terms I can take out 2 common. So take out 2 common. Bracket, what remains from here? 4x square minus 2 common आ गया. So what remains from here? 115. 2 common है तो what remains from here? Plus 375. Next, this 2 is getting multiplied by all these bracket terms. So multiply by 2. If I bring on the left side, it will get divided, cross multiply. So it becomes 0 upon 2 and full bracket as it is. 0 upon 2 gives you 0. This is as it is. What next step? अब आपकी side reverse कर दीजिए. Bring all this to the left side. 0 you bring on the right side. So what will be your next step? Will be like this. 4x square minus 115x plus 375 equals to 0. Now what do you see? This equation is of the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we have converted our equation which I have obtained from the question into a quadratic equation. Now I will solve this equation, means I will find the value of x. For that, again write down the quadratic formula. X equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a. Write down the values of a, b, c. What is the value of a? Coefficient of x square, 4. What is the value of b? Coefficient of x, along with its negative sign. So b equals to minus 115. What is c? The constant term without any x in it. This is plus 375. So c equals to 375. Now substitute these values of a, b, c in this quadratic formula. So what you will get? Minus minus is our formula. B value is minus 115. So put the value of b in bracket. Plus minus plus minus. B square means pick up the value from here. Minus 115 square. Minus 4 into a into c means 4 into 375. So 4 into 375. Divide by 2 into a means 2 into 4. Next step, minus into minus plus हो गया, तो plus 115 plus minus square root. Square of minus 115 means minus 115 into minus 115, it will give you 13225 minus, multiply all these three, you will get 6000. Divide by 2 into 4, 8. Next step, 115 plus minus इनको subtract कर दीजिए, you will get 7225. नाउ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 7225 का वर्किंग देख लीजिए. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 7225 ये हमने एलसीएम के मेथड से इसके फैक्टर्स बना लिए. तो व्हाट आई विल राइट डाउन दिस एज 5 इंटू 5 इंटू 17 इंटू 17. सो 5 इंटू 5 इंटू 17 इंटू 17. अब इसका पेयरिंग कर दीजिए. ये पेयरिंग हो गया, ये पेयरिंग हो गया, 5 का हो गया, 17 को हो गया. सो यू विल राइट डाउन 5 वंस and 17 also once. So 5 into 17, 85. So what is the square root of 7225? 85. Now come to your step. This was your step. So x equals to 115 plus minus. This I have already found. This is 85 upon 8. So what next now? This last step I am writing it again. Last में I have obtained x equals to 115 plus minus 85 upon 8. Now I will consider two values of x. First I will take positive sign and second I will get by taking the negative sign. So positive sign में you will get x equals to 115 plus 85 upon 8. Add them, 200 upon 8, cancel it, you will get 25. Similarly, if I take negative sign, x equals to 115 minus 85 upon 8, x will be, subtract कर लीजिए, 30 upon 8, this will give you 3.75. So you are getting two answers. X is 25, second answer is x is 3.75. So therefore, if x is 25 hours, what was x? Time taken by smaller diameter tap. This was tap. By mistake I have written pipe. Doesn't matter, we make it tap. Time taken by smaller diameter tap. This is x 25 hours. What was x minus 10? This was the time taken by larger diameter tap. So x का value 25 इसमें substitute कर देंगे. So this will get 25 minus 10 equals to 15 hours. This value I have obtained 25 hours and 15 hours by taking the value of x as 25. Now we will have to take the second value also. Let us check it. If I take x equals to 3.75, what will be x minus 10? ये smaller diameter का हो गया, ये larger diameter का time था. So x minus 10 will become 3.75 minus 10, which gives you minus 6.25 hours. Now what do you notice here? You are getting the answer in negative. Negative answer is not possible for time. Time can never be negative. So I write minus 6.25 hour because it is a negative time. It is not possible. Therefore, I will reject this value of x. Means जो हमने 3.75 obtain किया था, this value is rejected. So x equal to 3.75 is rejected. So what will be your final answer? The answer will be which I have obtained by putting the value of x equal to 25, 25 hours or 15 hours. So finally 15 hours and 25 hours is your final answer. I think children you have followed this problem. Bye bye.